So I'll be showing you how to fix unknown issues with your Instagram account or Instagram app. So maybe you're trying to do something, it's not working, you're trying to change a setting, it's not saving the setting, or it's not responding how it should be responding. Maybe you have a glitch or some kind of an error. The best way to fix that problem is to simply go to your App Store. So that's the Apple App Store for iPhone users and the Google Play Store for Android users. Okay, so go and search for Instagram. And what you want to do is just check if there's a pending update for your Instagram application. You can see mine says open. If there's a pending update, I will see an update button. So that's one thing you can do. Now, the other thing you can do is to kind of reinstall the app. Now, assuming you have your login credentials saved on your phone, so that should not be a problem. You can always go ahead and uninstall Instagram. So just long press on the Instagram application, tap on remove app and confirm you want to delete the entire app. And then you can go back to the App Store and reinstall the app. And usually, most of the time, that fixes unknown problems with your Instagram account. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and good luck.